Popular Nigerian actor Junior Pope is dead. This is a video of when he was alive and when he died.
Don't leave me the born, oh! Don't leave me the born. I got 3 children. I be go raise them. I got 3 children. I be go raise them. No,
My country people, una well done. I dey greet everybody. Let me tell you people, Junior Pope never die, and Junior Pope will never die, and Junior Pope will not die. Why is it that any single thing they don't wish person rest in peace, rest in peace? You never confirm anything. They never. This incident, it never reach 24 hours. They just conclude say he don't die. Why this country is this? They like to celebrate death than anything. Why? Why are they like this? Junior Pope is not dead. Junior Pope never died, and he no go die. Junior Pope now from Usuka Sadu. He no go die. Whether you like it or not, Junior Pope is alive. Go and tell people say na me talk am. Junior Pope is alive. I call him. He's alive. I speak to him. He's alive. So Junior Pope never died. I beg una. Make una share this video. Make everybody know say Junior Pope never died. Thank you. Subscribe and follow my page. God bless you.